New data from Statistics Canada shows that Alberta is quickly growing. In fact, the province added people from other provinces at a higher rate than has ever been recorded. Is the province ready for this population boom? The CBC's Anis Hadari reports.
I'm standing in front of something that a lot of folks in Toronto or Vancouver don't get to see very often.
When politicians said Alberta was calling, in Toronto, Michael Munge answered.
The dream of owning a home in Toronto, you would get more value in Calgary, or at least that was the thought.
Alberta is calling.
The campaign to lure others to Alberta maybe worked too well, as new Calgary transplants are finding out.
You're seeing herds of people lining up for a reasonable condo. And when I say reasonable, it's like less than $1,800.
Alberta saw the most people move there from inside Canada, more than 56,000 people net from other provinces, the most of any of them, and a record. But record numbers can add strain to already tight services for those from Canada and around the world.
When you have to wait, anywhere from 6 months, maybe even up to a year to just access your first English language class, that sets you back.
We've never seen this kind of growth.
Population growth can mean economic growth too, but adds challenges.
It takes a while to build more infrastructure. It takes about roads, utilities, and all this. So we have to adjust to this, and on a scale that we've never had to do before.
Public services like healthcare or education will face higher pressures.
If Alberta were a country, we'd be the fastest growing population in the world, exceeding anything you see in Africa. So that's a big deal.
The province says it will ensure Albertans have access to services, but has previously projected the population will keep going up, jumping from 4.7 to more than 5 million later this decade. Anis Hadari, CBC News, Calgary.